Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renata and this is the Twilight Stitcher. I'm so excited to bring this video to you guys today. It is the official announcement of the Little Red Dress Project for 2018. Guys, this is year 3. We've been doing this for 3 years. I can't believe it, but I'm so excited to share with you what we're going to be doing. We will be making a red dress like we have the last 2 years. Nothing different. The thing is, I dropped the requirement of the amount of red you should have in your project. So it used to be 90%, but we're dropping it a little bit to like 80%. I feel like there are not a lot of people that really like red. I take that back. Maybe some of you don't like red or a lot of red. And I want to make sure I can include as much of you as I can. So that is where I dropped the requirement. But let's take things back and let's talk about the challenge. Officially and originally, I started this challenge back in 2016, right after Holly, the amazing creator of the seamstress tag, tagged me to do her seamstress tag. And then we decided to chat, and I was saying, you know, I think we really should have more challenges on the sewing community because there are so many people and you get to meet people and you get to bring the community together, and then everyone starts to share their ideas, their creativity, and we can all learn from each other. So I came up with the Little Red Dress Project, and now it's 3 years in and I'm really excited about it. I'm so happy that I could do it. Earlier this year, so many things have been going on. I lost my sewing mojo. I wasn't sure I was going to do the challenge, but then I just decided to do it. And here I am sharing with you the announcement. So let's get into the gist, or should I say, you know, the overall theme of this challenge. So the reveal date for the challenge is December 1st through December 8th. If you've joined this challenge previously, you guys know that's a lot earlier than I've done in the past. I feel like we have Halloween, Thanksgiving, and the fall season. It's just a busy time, and then school is open and you're sewing different things. I feel like this is enough time to share with you so you can decide if you want to partake in this, and then the early reveal just makes it a lot easier on participants for the holiday. You can get into your holiday. You've made this fabulous dress. Now you can do all your gift givings in your wonderful dress, not like we've done in the past where the reveal was like right Christmas Eve week or just before Christmas, and I felt like that was a pressure even for me. So that's one of the changes. Let's see what else. Winners. Yes, I did say winners, did I? Yeah, because we have sponsors. So winners will be announced on December 16th. How awesome is that? You even get like a prize before Christmas, and you know this. In the past, we had to wait till January. How blah is that? No. We're gonna announce it on the 16th so you guys can get your prizes and enjoy and start working on it for the winter season. And I will share with you some of our sponsors. The first sponsor I have is It's So Amazing. Yes. And then we have So Essential, like last year. Coco Wow Crafts is another of our sponsors. Solicious is a sponsor. Maneuver Crafts, DG Patterns, and Sew Me Sunshine. Now, everything that they will be providing for this challenge will be listed below and also in the blog post that I have uploaded to give you guys a little more insight. And I would say the only other thing that you guys need to know to really be a part of this challenge is to follow myself, Renata, on YouTube or Instagram, as well as my co-host. Yes, Rosa of So and I is my co-host again this year. I'm so excited and happy that she is on board with this challenge. I feel like she has a real heart for this challenge, and if you guys know her work, you know that she is an amazing, fantastic and creative seamstress, and you definitely need to follow her because she's just the sweetest person that you can chat with and learn from and just be inspired by. So she is my co-host for this year. I also have other participants, but some of them are, you know, supporters, and as well they're hosting it too, you know, in a different way because they're sharing it. I have this year Judith D of Judith D's Creation, Elizabeth of Elizabeth Made This. I have Sienna of Kittenish Behavior. They're supporting this, and they will also be making some fantastic dresses. So like I said, I hope to have a really nice roundup at the end of the year to show you the wonderful makes that they've made. And if I have a lot more time, I'll probably grab more photos of everyone that participated in this year's challenge to have a video at the end of the year for you guys to see. And guys, that's all I have to share with you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I feel like I'm getting back into it. I'm really excited about sewing and sharing my makes, and I hope that you guys are excited as I am. Again, I want to thank you so much for supporting my channel. I know I have not been, you know, as active as I wanted to be for the last year, but we're gonna change that. So just, you know, just stick with me, and we'll have a really nice time learning and sharing. So if you have anything to say, if you have any questions, I will try my best to answer it. Leave the questions down below, and I will work hard to at least focus 1 hour on answering your comments down below, because without you, I don't think I'll have the motivation to come on and to get pushed, because when you guys comment, it really lifts my spirit. It gets me like excited and all pumped, like, you know, the party pump, to get ready to sew and to share. So thank you guys so much. If I've missed anything, I will leave it in the description box so you guys will have it. More details on the price, like I said, will be on the blog, so check that out. Don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up really help my channel, so it will bring my channel to people that are interested in similar things. So put that on, give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to click the notification button. You will not see me if you don't click the notification button, and trust me, I'm not spam, so videos won't be going like this. It will come at a very nice flat pace. Thank you so much for watching. I really would love to know if you're going to take part in this challenge, so let me know down below, and I just hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm going to sign off now because I am rambling. Bye.